Before we dive into the latest NCIS scoop, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more updates on your favorite shows. Our Jess and Jimmy's relationship woes finally coming to a head in NCIS season 22. The answer is yes. And it's going to be a wild ride as the season premiere kicks off. Special Agent Jessica Knight finds herself in a sticky situation holding an innocent clergyman captive. But what's really going on beneath the surface? According to Katrina Law, who plays Jessica.
The tension between Jess and Jimmy has been building up, and it's only a matter of time before it all comes crashing. Down, what to see sometime with Down Monday. What?
In a recent interview, Law revealed that the conversation between Jess and Jimmy will be a mix of awkwardness, humor, sorrow, and joy. But what does this mean for the future of their relationship? As the season progresses, the evolving relationship between Jess and Jimmy presents a new emotional journey that delves deeper into their personal conflicts. The storyline kicks off with a significant amount of tension, but the real emotional turmoil arises from how they address their lingering issues. So what's next for the couple? Will they finally work through their problems and reunite, or is there split final? Fans will have to wait until episode 4 to find out. One thing's for sure, though, the fate of Jess and Jimmy's relationship is about to get a whole lot more complicated. And as any NCIS fan knows, when it comes to relationships, anything can happen. On a lighter note, it's clear that Jess and Jimmy's relationship is more dramatic than a soap opera. But hey, at least they're not as dysfunctional as the Kardashians yet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,